Smart life with Haier Smart Water Heaters. Haier Smart Water Heater keeps you future ready for a connected home and come feature packed with Wi-Fi control with Haier Smart app. Switch on from the comfort of your bed. Control water temperature with app and set the right temperature. With just a simple click, switch to different modes from anywhere. Imagine getting your shower ready at the preset time daily. Forgot to switch off? No problem. Switch it off from anywhere. Give access to your smart water heater to multiple users. And collect reward points. Manage with your smart TV. Smart home starts with smart water heater.